and simple. I'll be creating a wall decor using those beautiful floral mirrors that I'll get ready to spray paint. I'll go ahead and take them out and spray paint them gold. I will also be using those Hexagon mirrors, and I need 3 of them. I'll disassemble it by removing the mirrors and later on take them out and spray paint them silver. Make good use of this old canvas that is a 36 by 12 inch, and I'll spray paint the corners silver. Once the hexagon frames were dry, I went on and put back the mirrors. Took the canvas that was already dry, so I'll be using this glitter table warmer that I got from Five and Below, and I'll go ahead and glue it on the surface of the canvas. This part was a little tricky for me, but if you prefer, you can also use contact paper, and like that it will stay much better. took my silver mirrors as well as my gold mirrors, and I'll go ahead and place them where I will go ahead and glue them together. I lost the footage of where I was actually gluing the hexagon onto the canvas, but I did, and then later on I added the gold floral mirrors. This is how that piece turned out. Although I was not expecting the textures on the side, they turned out really nice. Another way you can make this piece is by not using the canvas. So in this case, I'll be using the 3 hexagon mirrors as well as the 2 floral mirrors. Once again, I'll just simply add glue to where the florals will be meeting on the hexagons. Make sure the pieces stays together, I'll be using this painter stick, and I'll just simply glue it on the 3 hexagons. It turned out so beautiful, really simple but yet elegant. Overall, the 2 pieces were so beautiful. I really love how they turned out, and I hope you did also. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you have not subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of my next amazing projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.